Here at the Rexa Electrolyc Actuator Factory, looking at some liquid pipeline globe control valve type actuators. We have some smaller globe valves and a 4 to 20 milliamp input signal. When I change the control signal, the motor activates, begins moving the valve stem. Virtually instantaneous response. .1% repeatability, 100% duty cycle. No oil tank, no oil maintenance. See, over here we have a linear actuator for a steam turbine stop valve with a trip speed of 120 milliseconds. And we have some larger rotary actuators for some large mining ball valves. Smaller rotary drive used for damper drive applications. And then over here we have a large ball valve actuator with our booster pump arrangement. So there's a rack and pinion cylinder, one hydraulic motor and pump, and then a second hydraulic motor and pump for high volume, high speed step changes. This is the electrical control block box here. This is the smaller motor, and then this is the larger motor. We have a 16-inch ball valve here. This actuator will normally drive up to a 24-inch ball valve. So we'll go ahead and activate the actuator with the control signal, 4 to 20 milliamp. Very fast, very accurate. You see the larger motor only activates for large set point changes. This one is programmed for set point changes greater than 1%. For smaller set point changes, only the small motor activates. And it is 100% duty cycle, 0.1% repeatable. So that's When you get into within 1% of the target position, the large motor turns off and the small motor finishes the set point change. Yeah, no oil tank, no oil or filter maintenance. This is a closed loop electric actuator with a hydraulic circuit to drive it instead of a gear train. Again, this is the high-end, high-duty cycle, accurate actuator, most commonly used in mainline pressure and flow control in liquid pipelines. If you do not need the 100% duty cycle or the 0.1% repeatability, we do have some larger actuators over here that produce the torque and the speed, but their duty cycle is 50%, positioning repeatability is about 1%. And this does reduce the cost significantly over the high-end, highly accurate model over here.